Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. Recently I finished a book, Status Single. So I thought that we should talk about this because I found out many things in that book which I didn't know earlier. Some women choose to be single, I know, and some are single because of some reason that maybe their partner has moved out or they have separated or they have some disabilities, and a girl choose to be single. She's told these things, that something is wrong with her, that's why she is single, and it is something which is against law of nature. You should get married. So people have created it as a law of nature that you should get married. It's a law created by the society. Then there are single mothers, who want to adopt child and they face many hurdles. It's not easy for them. Author talks about the situation of the woman, that her place is fixed, be it by a gynecologist, be it a landlord, be it a security officer who is checking her passport. Everybody is asking her, why you are not married? Come, we will help you. And her doctor tells her mother that that she doesn't look like she wants to settle down. Just make her understand that it's very important. So who set these kinds of laws? That it's very important to settle down. It should be a personal choice. This conservative, regressive society has set a woman's place is fixed, in the marriage. If she is not married, then so many questions and so many assumptions they made about the woman. Why? One more important thing is when single women work in corporate, then what happens that their manager and their colleagues will say that you do this now, you don't have work at home now, you don't have that much responsibility. But we have to realize that they are also having a family, they are also responsible for their household chores and everything. So how can we say that you don't have work, so you will, I have children, yaar, I have husband to manage, I have family in-laws to manage, but you don't have any responsibility? Situation is not like that. But this is being done in the corporate offices. Next thing is that in our society, single means she's sad, she's lonely. Single women are called selfish in the society because you don't want to take responsibility of marriage. That's why you are single. That's why you because you didn't want to take any responsibility. Marriage is a big responsibility. That's why you are single. You are selfish. I mean, these are the things women are still facing, and it's 2020 now. She talks about her friend, who dresses up herself properly, who loves her body, who takes care of her, and used to place her young relative's photo on her on her desk, and used to tell everyone that he is my husband, because just to avoid the friction which single women face in the society, she used to keep that photo on her desk. And in insurance policy also, she used to name that relative only, and she used to wear that mangal sutra and everything also. Can you imagine, on karwa chauth, because she didn't want people to harass her. So this is the kind of situation single women are facing in our society. She is marked as available because she's single, so she's available, and her managers and her people will hit on her, and and they will comment on her clothes and hair color. If she does hair color, if she takes care of herself, people will not leave them that also. Author just wants to know that why single can't be normalized, why this regressive society can't normalize single. If a woman is has moved out of a relationship, or she doesn't want to get married, or maybe because of any other reason, she has thousand personal reasons, if she is not a part of this marriage custom, then why she's left out? So these things are happening around us, and author has talked about it. And she has also told that a single woman is treated as a party girl. In our Bollywood movies also, she's shown as a party girl who is single, who is enjoying her life. But why can't we normalize single? So that is the thing, that is these are the questions she has raised in her book. So I found this book very good, and I will definitely share the link with you. uh, so in the end, I just want to say that father in a family always say that my daughter will get married to some prince and everything. So this starts from upbringing. So these things needs to be changed. A woman should not depend on any. So why a woman has to depend on someone for her stability, for her security, for her safety? Why? I have seen women only who says that, oh, poor her, and how she will manage now. She has moved out. She's a divorcee. How will she manage now? Poor child. What has happened? So it's not a very good thing here in the society. So these were the things I read in the book, and I wanted to share with you. And if you feel that you want to share something, definitely please share in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.